The SUMIF function was released when Excel version 5 first came out. The SUMIF function is used to sum certain cells, but only if they meet a certain condition. For example, I would like to sum the hectares, but only where the area says taupo. So what I'd like to do in C15 is type equals sum if, open bracket. The first thing that Excel requires is a range to look at. So it wants to look at these areas here, B4 to B13. And I'm going to lock that range in, so I'm going to press F4 and then press comma. The criteria that defines the ones I want in that range are the ones that match A15. Then I'll press comma. And if it finds in that range B4 to B13 a match with A15, I want it to sum up the range C4 to C13, and I'll lock that in. 350 hectares can be attributed to Taupō. If I click on C4, hold the control, click on C6 and C11 and look in the bottom right of my screen, the sum of the selected cells is 350, and that balances with what I have in C15. I'll click on C15 and drag the thin black cross down to work out the sum of the hectares for the other regions.